So you're thinking about diving into game development, or maybe you've just started and you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. The idea of creating your own game is exciting, but where do you even begin? What's the best way to tackle all the different aspects of game development without getting lost or burning out? Imagine this, you have a great game idea, but as you start working on it, you find yourself struggling to keep up with all the tasks, learning curves, and unexpected obstacles. What if I told you there are 5 essential tips that can help you navigate these challenges, stay motivated, and make steady progress? These tips are designed to help you start strong and keep moving forward, so your dream of creating a game can become a reality. Starting out in game development is both thrilling and daunting. The excitement of bringing your ideas to life is matched by the challenge of learning new skills and managing your time effectively. It's common to feel overwhelmed, especially when you're faced with a steep learning curve and a long list of tasks. For many beginners, the biggest hurdles include knowing where to start. With so many aspects of game development, coding, design, art, it can be hard to figure out where to focus first. Another one is time management. Balancing your time between learning and creating can be tricky, leading to burnout if not managed well. Staying motivated. It's easy to get discouraged when progress seems slow or when you hit a tough problem. But here's the good news. Every successful game developer has been in your shoes. These tips will help you build a strong foundation, keep you on track, and give you the confidence to tackle your projects head on. So let's dive into tip number 1. Master time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources you have. When you're new to game development, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the number of tasks you need to complete. Why time management matters. Effective time management helps you stay organized, avoid burnout, and make steady progress. Without it, you might find yourself juggling too many tasks at once, leading to frustration and inefficiency. So how to manage your time? Break down your project. Divide your game into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, instead of focusing on create a game, break it down into design main character, build your first level, etc. Set smart goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, complete the character design by Friday is more effective than work on character design. Use tools. Project management tools like Trello, Asana, or even simple spreadsheet can help you track your progress and keep you on schedule. By setting clear goals and using time management tools, you can make your development process more effective and less stressful. I personally use Milanote. Tip number 2 is to connect with game developer communities. As a beginner, it's easy to feel isolated, but connecting with others can provide you with valuable support and insight. Why the community is important. Being part of a community gives you access to a wealth of knowledge and network of peers who can offer advice, feedback, and encouragement. How to engage. Join online forums. Websites like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and specialized game development forums are great places to ask questions and share your progress. Participate in social media groups. Facebook, Twitter, Discord have active game development communities where you can interact with other developers. Attend meetups and conferences. Look for local or virtual game development meetups and conferences. They provide opportunities for networking and learning from industry professionals. Engaging with the community not only helps you learn, but also keeps you motivated and connected to others who share your passion. Tip number 3 is to embrace prototyping. When you're just starting out, it's tempting to jump straight into the full development of your game. However, prototyping can save you time and help you refine your ideas. When prototyping is crucial, prototyping allows you to test and iterate on your ideas quickly. It helps you identify what works and what doesn't without committing too many resources. How to prototype effectively. Start with a simple model. Create a basic version of your game to test core mechanics. For example, if your game involves a unique jumping mechanic, build a simple prototype to see how it feels. Focus on core features. Instead of building a complete game, focus on the essential features that define your game's experience. Iterate based on feedback. Share your prototype with others and gather feedback. Use this input to make improvements and adjustments before moving on to more detailed development. Prototyping is a powerful way to validate your ideas and make sure you're on the right track before investing too much time in development. So tip number 4 is to be flexible and open to change. Game development is an iterative process, and things don't always go as planned. Being adaptable can help you overcome obstacles and make your game better. Why flexibility matters. Flexibility allows you to adjust your approach based on new information, feedback, or changes in your project. It helps you stay resilient and creative in the face of challenges. How to stay flexible. Be open to feedback. Listen to feedback from playtesters and peers. Use their input to refine and improve your game. Adapt your plans. If something isn't working or if you get new ideas, be willing to adjust your plans. For example, if a feature isn't functioning as intended, consider alternative solutions or remove it if necessary. Stay curious. Keep learning and experimenting. New techniques and tools can improve fresh perspectives and opportunities for improving. Embracing flexibility helps you turn challenges into opportunities and enhancing the overall quality of your game. Finally, tip number 5. Always focus on the player's experience. At the end of the day, your game's success depends on how enjoyable and engaging it is for your players. Why player experience is key. A great player experience keeps players coming back and helps your game stand out. It's not just about having impressive graphics or complex mechanics. It's about creating an enjoyable and memorable experience. So how to prioritize player experience? Define your target audience. Understand who your game is for and what they enjoy. Create player personas to guide your design decisions. Conduct playtests. Get your game into the hands of real players as early as possible. Observe their reaction and gather feedback to identify areas for improvement. Iterate based on feedback. Use the feedback you receive to make adjustments and enhancements that improve the player experience. By keeping the player experience at the center of your development process, you'll create a game that resonates with your audience and stands out in a crowded market. So to recap, here are the 5 essential tips every new game developer should follow. Master time management, connect with the game development community, embrace prototyping, be flexible and open to change, and focus on the player experience. By implementing these tips, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges and game development, stay motivated, and make steady progress on your game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you're working on a game project of your own, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below to share your experience or ask for advice. And don't forget to subscribe for more developer tips and insights. See you in the next video.